Hello everyone, here is the mock test of growth and development day 4. Question 1. A backward linkage is created when a project encourages investment in earlier stages of production. Earlier you have to remember because we are going backward. Question number 2. In the PQLI index, which indicators are used? All of these. First one, life expectancy at the age of 1, infant mortality. Third one, literacy. Question number 3. Circular cumulative causation theory was developed by Gurnal Mridal in the year 1956. Question 4. Critical minimum effort is necessary to achieve dash raising per dash. Critical minimum effort is necessary to achieve steady economic growth, raising per capita income. Steady economic growth and per capita income. Question number 5. The model presented by Arthur Lewis in 1950 is known as unlimited supply of labor. In that model he says there is excess labor in agriculture. It will be more productive if we use this labor in other sectors like industrial sector, etc. Question number 6. Relative poverty is measure of income inequality. Relative poverty used for comparison and it's a measure of income inequality. Question number 7. Gender Inequality Index GII introduced in 2010. Loss in human development due to inequality between female and male achievement in various dimensions. Question number 8. The hypothesis stated by Kuznets expresses on inverted U shape, which studies the relationship between economic growth and income distribution. Wherever you read about Kuznets curve, you always talk about economic growth and income distribution. Question number 9. According to Rostand-Rodin Big Push theory, indivisibilities are, there are 3 types of invisibility according to Rostand-Rodin. Those are invisibility in production function, invisibility in demand, and invisibility in supply of saving. Repeating again, production function, demand, and supply of savings. Question number 10. Theory of low-level equilibrium trap was propounded by R. Nansen, and according to this, low level of investment results in low rate of growth in national income. According to unbalanced growth theory, investment should be made in selected sectors. Question number 12. The Lorenz curve depicting the variance of dash of the size of distribution of income from perfect equality. Question 13. Which of the poverty gap index is known as poverty severity index? Squared poverty gap index is also called poverty severity index. Question number 14. The formula for calculating the headcount index for the estimation of the population living below the line of poverty can be expressed as H upon N. So the formula for headcount index is headcount divided by total population, that is H upon N. Thank you.